Hi everyone. This series of videos is going to take you through the first page, page 2, of the new packet. Just a quick disclaimer, you'll need to make sure that you've either printed the new packet so that you have the pages that you need, or at least, if nothing else, have the new tab open somewhere on your device so that you can see the questions in the new packet and make use of the fact that they're kind of similar to the way that we normally do things, where all of the questions that I'm going to be going through, all of the explorations and all the practice are going to be given to you on each page, and it's your responsibility to sort of follow along either with the videos or with the answer keys so that you can do the practice problems on your own. Unfortunately, we didn't have a chance to pick up a physical packet in class before we ended up having this school closure. So if you don't have access to a printer, you might want to use a notebook or something that you can just kind of keep track of so that you can have evidence of each page and the work that you're doing all along the way. The videos in this playlist are going to walk you through page 2, which again requires that you have some sort of page 2 to look at, whether it's the physical printed page or whether it's a copy of it that you just keep on your screen is fine, but all the videos are going to refer to these questions, so just bear that in mind. The first task on page 2 is actually to do a Desmos activity. And to find the Desmos activity, you'll need to open the learning plan, the same learning plan that probably got you to this video in the first place. And you'll need to click a link in the learning plan that has a specific code in it for our class. If you don't want to click the link, and if you just want to do this directly, you can go to the URL student.desmos.com and you can enter the class code when you're prompted to do so. The class code is UET, all letters, and then 84G. So a couple numbers thrown in there as well. If you go to student.desmos.com and enter that code, you'll find the activity that is meant to take you through numbers 1 through 20 at the top of page 2. It's a matching activity, and you'll be matching little cards together. The specific nature of the matching is a little bit new, so in the next video I'll walk you through some specific tips and tricks to help you better understand what you're supposed to be doing. Between the time this video ends and the time you start the next one, take an opportunity to make sure you have access to page 2. Make sure that you have a device that you can open student.desmos.com with, or student.desmos.com. I do recommend, by the way, that you have a computer or a laptop if possible, or if nothing else, as big a screen as possible, because the matching is going to involve a lot of teeny tiny little pieces, and it might be a little tricky to do that on your phone. So if all you have access to is a phone, definitely use what you can. But if you have a larger screen available, whether it's a laptop, a desktop, or even just an HDMI cable that you can hook up to your phone so that you can view it through your TV screen, try to do something to make it as big as possible, because you'll benefit from having a larger field of view for this matching activity. In the next video, I'll walk you through the math involved in the matching. So again, take this opportunity to prepare your materials.